Hey traders, welcome back. As you can see, here we are on the Bitcoin chart and it is weekly time frame, and we have this resistance for the price, which the price got rejected from this level last week, and we had this red candle, the engulfing candle, in the last week. I told you that we can actually risk on that for long-term sell position, entering sell here, putting our stop loss above the candles, and wait for the next weeks to actually see the result. But on daily time frame, if we check that, there's something that we had this trend line for the price which is not broken yet. It was like this at the first look. Okay, when we see that shadow there, we extended that like this one, and right now we are waiting for the price to break it to the upside. And if this candle can be broken to the upside on daily time frame, then we can enter buy position, set our stop loss, and get our reward. But on 4-hour time frame, if we check that, on 4-hour time frame we don't have anything special, as you can see. But if we switch to 1-hour time frame, we had a trend line. If the chart, we had this trend line. I told you that with the break of this to the upside, we can enter buy position, set our stop loss somewhere safe, and look for our reward, which the price broke it here, so we entered the buy position. We did set our stop loss here, and right now we are waiting for the price to give us our reward. But there is a high chance of actually our stop loss get activated, because the volume in the market is low, because the markets are closed and people are not trading, and when the money is not in the market can't move. So we can actually see this stop loss here activated in the next hours. But right now let's check 15-minute time frame to see what we have. On 15-minute time frame, we can actually have this one like this, and also support here like this one. If the price can touch any of them and we see a nice candle on them, we can enter buy and sell position, set our stop loss, and look for our reward. And we also have this trend line broken. We could enter here, put our stop loss below the candle, waiting for the price to give us our reward. But right now, as I told you, the market is closed, and I myself, I'm not interested in trading right now because of the low volume in the market. Okay, it was all about today's analysis of Bitcoin. Let's move to the next part, the education part, and also see yesterday's positions too. Guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also leave me a comment and tell me your ideas about the future of Bitcoin in the upcoming days. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. On the first position, as you can see, we had this trend line for the price, and let me tell you that this is actually 28th of April, and it is Bitcoin chart 5-minute time frame. And on the first position, we have this trend line for the price with 1, 2, 3, 4 touches on that. This candle broke this trend line to the downside and closed the body below this trend line, not a shadow. Okay, so we enter sell position, set our stop loss above the candle, or even safer, or very safer like I did, and look for your risk to reward too, which the price gives us our risk to reward too somewhere here. On the second position, we did have this trend line for the price, which was broken here, so we enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candle, or somewhere safer, or very safer like I did, and look for your risk to reward too, which the price gives us our RR3 somewhere here. And also we had this trend line which was broken here to the upside. We could enter for one risk to reward one position here and get our reward. On the trade 3 we did have this trend line again. You might ask why I am trading a lot with trend lines, because actually my strategy is based on breakouts and trend lines. I rarely trade with support and resistances like these support and resistances we have here. These are resistances which I will show you in the next video, I mean tomorrow, because it is these are today's positions, okay, and you can watch these positions on the next analysis tomorrow. On the trade 3 we did have this trend line for the price, which it was like this at the first look. Okay, you connect this one to this one here, and it gives us here, when we see that small shadow out of the trend line, we extend it and wait for a candle to break it. So we enter buy position here. We can put our stop loss below the candle, which is too much risky, or we can put it in a safer place like here, or even here, or very safer here, and look for your risk to reward 2, which the price gives us our RR3 somewhere here. And something that you should know is, if we put our stop loss somewhere safe like here, okay, our risk is getting bigger, okay, so we can't get our risk to reward 2 easily. You know, our risk to reward 2 will be somewhere here, which the price doesn't even touch that if we put our stop loss here, okay. So I recommend to not to put it in a risky place, and even not in a very safe place. Put it somewhere in the middle like here, that you can get your risk to reward 2, which the price gives its reward somewhere here. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.